The question says about the weight whose value is 1000 newtons and it is lifted by an effort of 125 newtons by a second system of pulleys which is consisting of 5 pulleys in the each block. That means in the load block as well as effort block the number of pulleys are 5. So in that case velocity ratio will be equal to 2 times of 5, or basically the total number of pulleys will be equal to 10 over here. So in the load block it is 5 and in the effort block also it is 5. So velocity ratio will come out as 10. Next is the amount of effort wasted in friction needs to be computed and the frictional load as well. So load here is 1000 newtons and effort is 125 newtons. So effort computation is to be done. That is frictional effort is equal to actual effort minus ideal effort it is. So actual effort is PA, ideal effort is load by velocity ratio. So actual effort it is 125 minus W is 1000 divided by 10. So this will be equal to 25 newtons is the frictional effort. Next is frictional load, which is given by ideal load minus actual load. So ideal load can be expressed as effort into velocity ratio, actual effort into velocity ratio minus WA. So effort here it is 125 into velocity ratio is 10 minus the load that is been lifted is 1000. So this is 1250 minus 1000 is 250 Newton is the frictional load.